Okay, guys. Let me be TV man. No.
But you don't have an ATV.
No, I said TV man.
Okay, whatever.
TV man. This is TV man. Oh, this is bad TV man. I'll take TV man with the whole TV statue. Why is it so loud?
Oh, that's because you're on full volume.
More forward.
You're like on the edge of the chair. You're about to fall.
Stupid.
You need to see positioning in. Man, if I'm falling, I'm not helping you.
Oh.
What's that guy?
This guy.
That guy right there.
This guy.
No, that's in your friend request.
This guy.
Why are you here?
That's on me.
Oh, no. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, who is this? Why do you accept this friend request? You said you only wanted 5 friends. And you have like 30 already.
Stupid.
Let me be this guy. Wait.
Metamoon Prime. I said Metamoon Prime.
This is red button. Just shut up. Quiet.
Shut up!
Told me. That's a moron guy.
What in the world is that thing?
What the?
The morph you're in. What is that thing? What are those bullets for? Why in the world did you go away from regular Skibidi toilet to like a weird Skibidi toilet? That's way lower quality than the other one.
It's good. It's the best. Hooray. They are. You shut up. Say bye, guys. Bye. What the hell is this?
62%! 62!